Hello, my name is Vincent, and I built a hackathon app with two other friends called Coronavirus Advisor. So, as you might have already known, coronavirus is a pandemic that's affecting us worldwide. There's hundreds of thousands of cases. Sometimes it affects friends and families close by as well. And it would be nice to have a tool that could tell us how it affects us in our geographic region locally. So we built just that. So how it works is it's a text number service that you ping to, and you send a county as well as a state name. And if you hit enter here, it'll tell you the number of deaths and the number of cases that have occurred so far due to coronavirus, as well as the predicted number of cases that will happen in the next 30 days. And we use a machine learning model to predict this. So how it all works is a couple different things. We use a few different services for hooking this all up together. We use Intelepeer for SMS notifications, a machine learning model to power what data actually comes back to your SMS, and a Node.js server and MongoDB instance for serving that data to the text message service. To give you a better overview of how it all gets hooked up, we have the SMS inbound notification that goes to our phone number. This calls an external API call over to our server that provides the data set to then ping back over to the notification that you get via the response. So our machine learning model, so we got three different parameters. We have area code, day since, and depth. Area code refers to the actual counties within the USA. In this case, there are about 1,800, and there is also a correlation to how that affects the predicted number of cases per county that we're checking against. Days since is days since the quarantine, and deaths is the number of deaths of geographic region. So these are a number of large geographic regions that coronavirus is currently affecting the United States. MAE just refers to a value between 0 to infinity. The lower the number, the better correlation it has to the model and what happens in reality. R squared refers to a number between 0 to 1, and that's your accuracy in terms of how confident you are in your results. So we use a linear regression model in this entire instance. To give you another summary of just how everything is hooked together, you text the phone number that I showed in the beginning with the county and the state name to this phone number, and I'll look up the database that's powered by the machine learning model. You'll get back information with the past case deaths, future cases, as well as SMS notification that gets back sent to you via our service. So there are future implementations that we've considered for improving this workflow, and that kind of goes into different tools that we could use. Symwood, we can use it for SIP routing as well as for different phone numbers. These phone numbers could be routed to different national healthcare providers or different national helplines, either through the CDC or other sources, in case a user wants to get more information regarding to what they can do for their local area due to coronavirus. API days for anonymous phone call service routing, and then WebRTC if we need face-to-face time call using asterisk. So thank you. This is our whole project in a nutshell. TADHack Orlando for sponsoring the hackathon, as well as our sponsors for sponsoring the APIs that we can use. This is our team 0, and we are Project COVID Advisor, Chris, Muntaser, and Vincent, me.